All right, I want to show you my finished game. It looks just like the sample code to start. And just like the sample code, you can play it in 3D or 2D. And I'm going to show you that first. This is the game starting off in 3D. It's going to capture the stream. And you can see the crosshairs is there, moving my head up and down, left and right, and that's working just fine. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to move to 2D, start it. And you'll see this works the same way. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to turn the lights off here because this is in 2D. This is going to have a harder time tracking my face. So yeah, the crosshairs are not moving nearly as well. It's getting a bit erratic because it's there's not enough light here to do that very well. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this and do this in 3D. And that is much smoother, much better. So even under poor lighting conditions, 3D is working just fine. But for the sake of video, I'm going to give you guys more light. So this is training somebody how to actually play the game. If you're out of view, it's going to tell you you need to move your head down. If I'm too far low, it's going to tell me I need to move up, right, left, same thing. At that point, you start to familiarize yourself with how to move these crosshairs around the screen. Now it's going to ask for me to open my mouth. And as you remember in our code, when I open my mouth, watch out, the middle of the screen is turning red. So that the inner circle is getting bigger than the outer circle. And that's how we select or fire. So I'm going to move the crosshairs over to the left side and then open my mouth. Okay, you probably heard just a little click. I'm going to do the same over here on the right. Okay, so now I've done that successfully and the game is going to start. All I do is open my mouth and move my crosshairs to the mind to change its color. So all these red lines need to be changed blue. With that done, I'm able to move on to the next level. Okay, so this is exactly the same type of code that we used before, but I just embellished it with some gameplay. As you can see, it's really easy to do. Oh, but I got killed. It's hard to talk and do at the same time. So there you go. That's my game. It's just going to get harder and harder. It's going to throw more bad guys at me. It's going to throw more mines at me. And eventually it's going to get so hard that you can't play. And that's the old style arcade game, this type of style of game that I really like. So there you go. That's how you build a game using RealSense and HTML5. So good luck. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can find me on Twitter at Bob Duffy. That's BOBDUFFY. Thanks. We'll see you guys later.